Us in the newsroom with an important message from a local psychiatrist when it comes to keeping an eye on your teen's mental health. Shane?
Yeah, whether you're talking about social media, going through puberty maybe, and even, of course, keeping up with your schoolwork, teens, they have a lot to deal with these days. But there are things we can do as parents to make sure our teens are maintaining their mental health. At 15 years old, Zach Lemelski, a freshman at King's Academy, has his plate full.
So you're kind of a busy kid at 15 years old, right?
Yes.
From football to taekwondo and jiu-jitsu, even acting to go along with his schoolwork and chores at home, it's a lot.
This week I was sick and I had so much homework I had to make up, and I just felt like so stressed about everything. I just felt like I could never really get through it all. I just feel so overloaded with it all.
We all struggle. We all have some similar struggles or overlaps, but there are some unique struggles in adolescence.
Psychiatrist Dr. David Husted with Psychiatry of the Palm Beaches says one thing to remember when it comes to the mental health of teenagers is just that. They're still just teenagers.
They don't yet know who they are. Adolescence, it's actually a very normal part of adolescence, is that you're trying to identify who you are. You're seeking your identity.
According to the World Health Organization, globally, 1 in 7 10 to 19-year-olds experiences a mental health disorder. And the third leading cause of death among those aged 15 to 29 years old, suicide.
Since they don't know who they are, they haven't fully formed their identity, they're very insecure. If you think about it, the more we know who we are, the more secure we become in our own skin.
He says warning signs a child could be struggling include them being irritable, moody, a lot of turmoil and drama in their friend group. But as a parent, here's what you can do.
Be aware, be connected, make yourself available, talk to your teens, be present.
And when having those tough disagreements, remember, you are the adult.
We're modeling proper behavior. Sometimes emotions are high and tempers can flare. And as I tell my patients all the time, and I tell myself, these moments are momentary. Let's win this moment. And winning this moment doesn't mean winning the argument. It's managing this moment well.
And Dr. Husted, who you just heard from, says that also make sure you're maintaining and watching your kids' mental health by making sure that you're watching their social media sites. That could be a big indicator if they're going through a lot of stress. And Zach, as a matter of fact, who you heard from in that story, says, Tiffany and Felicia, if he eats better, he feels better as well. So eating healthy, also big in that mental health side.
Yeah.